Gurki Intelligent Equipment Co. Ltd. was founded in 1996 and is headquartered in Huishe, Guangdong. The company owns a 3,000 square meter garden-style industrial park, with core departments such as R&D, Technology Center, Production and Manufacturing Center, Marketing Center, Human Resources Center, and Financial Center. After 29 years of meticulous research, we have established a high-tech production and R&D base, focusing on the R&D and manufacturing of post-process packaging machinery automation. Since 2012, we have been a national high-tech enterprise for 12 consecutive years and have won more than 130 related patents.
Focus on professional post-process packaging equipment such as palletizers, carton erector, carton sealers, shrink wrap machine, bag inserter, sortation system, put wall sorter system, e-commerce packing machine, etc., providing a one-stop solution for post-process packaging machinery and equipment. Gurki has served more than 50,000 companies in total, covering industries such as logistics, clothing, daily chemicals, 3C digital, accessories, etc., and has won the recognition and favor of many Fortune 500 companies. Gurki Group has established sales outlets in more than 100 countries around the world, such as the United States, Indonesia, South Korea, etc., providing customers with comprehensive after-sales services. The marketing department focuses on customer needs and strives to create the best solution. The engineering team has always insisted on innovative research and development for many years, allowing Gurki Intelligent to lead the way and make its core technology advantages as solid as a rock.